thought he was going into that side of the building. Maybe not. Gotta get a little closer, maybe. That tree's in his way. Hate to see that tree go. Hate to see the whole thing go, but since they didn't fix it up, oh, there it goes. Oh, that wall is tottering, teeter-tottering. Look at me backing up like I can go somewhere. Go on, take a bite. Oh, wow. That thing is moving. It's moving. Oh, there it is. Oh, when it gives, it's gonna go whoosh. I haven't seen you. I've seen you once since I Oh, there that goes.
Very dramatic.
Huh?
Very dramatic.
Yeah. That side wall is so unsteady. I'm surprised that thing hadn't just crumbled. I can't believe cars are still going by.
Here a little while when I get in the front.
Yeah, that's true.
Oh, shit, ain't much of a detour.
Yeah, that's true. Well, I thought he was going to take a big chunk out of something. That wall has got to go.
I have a GoPro right there, that hinge point, once all that stuff record it.
Oh, woo! There came a bunch of it. One of it's still standing for a little bit longer.
I swear I think when you get this other ball knocked in the foot, it's going to fall down.
I think you're right.
No, I can get a couple guys on a ladder up there and push on it.
Yeah, I believe it's that unstable.
Let's hope it falls back away from the street. Yeah.